This is a show-off of my Singer 237. First I will show you some speed control of the machine, and it has a replaced sewing machine motor and some electronics to control it. See, I'm able to start the movement very slow. And I can control it to about 10 stitches a minute. Now I increase the speed. And this is max speed, and it is 600 stitches per minute is max speed for it. And then I'm able to make some kicks to the foot pedal here to make some small moves. It can be longer moves or it could be very short moves when I just make small kicks. Now I will put on a 0-point adjustment so it has a constant speed, and then I put on some vinyl here, 8 layers of this vinyl, to see how it reacts to load changes. Oh, it needs to go forward. You see, it reacts quite well to the load changes of it penetrating there. And I of course can also make this go faster with a foot pedal. Okay. You need a few more details. What I got here is a V138 thread. It is Serifil 20 Aman polyester thread. The needle I use is 140/22 needle. Now I will try to make some stitching, and it is on 6 layers of vinyl, 600 grams each square meter. And first I'll try to do some to lock it by make some reverse stitching here. And then go forward. And then I will lock it again. Okay, now we should see how it looked like. This is the bottom there, and it is on the front. I can see it is a bit uneven in the stitch length, but then it's okay. And on the back side here, I think it's well balanced stitch, but the stitch length is not that, it can vary a little. And then I'll try with making some zigzag stitching, and just a forward stitch length of about 2 millimeters, and full zigzag it's about 4 millimeters. That's max. Okay, I'll stop it there. And this is the top size. I hope there it was. I think it looks nice. And now this is the lower side, and I think it's well balanced, so it's quite well, and no missed stitches here. Okay.